Okay, family, I want to know, have you guys seen this? And please, don't lie to me, okay? Don't lie. You know what we said? We said that all the lion, we was going to put the lion up back in 2024, okay? It's 2025, no more lion, okay? All right? Honey, what about this? Isn't this fancy? Hand sanitizers, okay, for the little kids. This is Hot Wheels. Check this out. You can't tell me this not fancy pantsy mancy. All right, Hot Wheels hand sanitizer spray kills 99% germs, but that's not the only one they have. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so they have the Hot Wheels. They also have the Barbie over here. This is really, really cute. They also have the Hot Wheels. This goes over there. Really, really nice. Another Hot Wheels. This is cute. And look at the Barbie. Okay, the colors, honey. It's the colors for me. Okay. They also have the deluxe plastic bandage, 110 for $1.25, styling and profiling. Honey, Dollar Tree is giving it up for you and me. You get what I'm saying? When I tell you Dollar Tree is ready for Valentine's Day, okay, now Valentine's Day is next week, okay, the 14th. All right, so whatever gifts you plan on giving, all right, honey, make sure you start shopping for them now. Look at this. Honey, I feel a love. I really do feel a love. Okay, this is so cute. And look at the XOXO balloon. Styling and profiling. Chill. Really, really cute. All right, let me tell you something. When it comes to Dollar Tree, you know they delivering for you and me, okay? They got so many new items over here, honey, you just don't know where to start, okay? Like this. They have this lip gloss. I done showed you guys the lip gloss, honey, but this location, honey, they have several. It's not just one. They have a whole bunch. Check this out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. You checking? Linda, are you checking it out? Are you? Okay, so we gonna jump into it and do it. They have the red hydrate and lip gloss. They also have the brown. They also have the nude. They also have the pink over here. The berry. Child, get into this. Really, really cute. Absolutely love this. The marble. I think that's what it says. Honey, if that's not what it says, that's all right. They also have the bunnies. The berry cute. Okay, really, really cute. And they have the flavors right here. Like this one, mixed berry, strawberry scented. They also have the lip balm just for girls over here, different colors. Absolutely love these. Styling and profiling. Very, very nice. What about the Shea Butter lipstick over here? Okay, rosa, pink, and then they also have the nude over here, styling and profiling. Honey, Beauty Intuition is in full effect. Okay, the Beauty Intuition over here, bright red. It says they also have the crystal clear. They also have the regular lip gloss. Okay, very, very nice. They also have Moana. Okay, I showed you guys this the other day at another location. This is High Shine and Ultra Hydrating, and then they also have this one right here. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get that your day, your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. Your day, your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. Question. Why are you begging? Why are you begging for other people's approval? It's almost like you are getting down on all fours. And I know some of you guys, you may feel like, oh, that's disrespectful, but what's disrespectful is you doing that mentally. You may not do it physically, but mentally you're doing it. Mentally you are begging for other people's approval. Mentally you feel like these people are better than you. And last time I checked, no one is better than you. Okay, that's one. No one's better than you. I don't care where they work at. I don't care what they label title is. No one is better than you. And it's not until you understand it and start showing up like the real version of yourself that you was created to show up as, will you stop walking around being timid. You will stop walking around being shy. You will stop walking around feeling like you're not good enough. Okay, when in all actuality you are. Now, I needed to get that out. All right. Listen, book for today, Psycho-Cybernetics. All right. Maxwell Maltz. In this book, he actually talks about, he had a client that was afraid to make calls to these big shots, right? To these executives and stuff like that. And one of the things Maxwell Maltz asked him was, would you get down on all fours And the client said, of course not. He said, well, would you beg for a cup of coffee? And then the client said, of course not. He said, well, so why are you doing it mentally? Now, I am today at Dollar Tree, okay? Let's see what they have inside. Honey, I'm pumped up. The energy is good today, okay? Which is like, you know, every day, all right? Let me tell you something. Happiness is a choice. You better know, okay? And with that being said, let's go inside. Okay, so item of the week. Oh, these are cute. At first I was like, oh, this is like regular solar system, right? Solar stake lights. Look at these. Let me tell you guys something, all right? I had a past life regression. Some of you guys may not know what that is, right? But I had a past life regression, whereas though you go back in time and you go back in time whereas though what you used to be in your past lives, right? That's why it's called past life regression. During my past life regression, let me tell you something about the universe. Is always sending synchronicities. My father, okay, I seen him in my past life regression, and one of the things he said was, whenever I see butterflies, that means that he is near, right? It's so crazy, right? So these butterflies, I just think about that. These solar stake lights are $1.25. They are so cute. They also have the solar stake lights down here. The flowers, these are really styling and profiling. They come in different colors. Absolutely love these. $1.25. Okay, so just in case if you didn't get your Valentine's Day items already, Dollar Tree definitely in a place to be. They have these containers over here. These are cute. These are $1.25. Styling and profiling. Honey, absolutely love these. Okay, they also have this decor over here that says welcome, kissing booth, 25 cents, a smooch pucker up buttercup, all right? And then they also have the 21 window clings, okay, for $1.25. Really cute. Treat bags with twist ties, $1.25 as well. 20 pieces. They also have the glitter decor over here, 5 pieces for $1.25. Easter anyone, you know, Dollar Tree right now, they are really literally on summer, okay? All right, so they have the Easter items out already. There's garland over here. This is $1.25. Still deal, like Holyfield, honey, couldn't even think of my saying. And then they also have the felt bunny, garland, and pom-poms over here, $1.25 as well. And then they also have some more window clings. Look at this, the sheep. Child, it is so cute. Easter wishes and bunny kisses. I know that's right. 15 pieces. Shake your bunny tail, it says. Nice. Garland, they also have. These are $1.25. 6 feet garland. And then they also have some more garland over here with the bunnies, the chickadee chicks, and then the carrots over here. Easter theme in full effect, okay? Really cool. They also have the wire edge ribbon, okay? This, let's see how many feet. Oh, 3 yards, okay? The wider ones, 3 yards. The smaller ones, they have 4 yards, okay? Oh, look at the nails going along with the colors, okay? And then they also have, oh, this is the same thing, 4 yards. Styling and profiling. One time for the one time. And Dollar Tree also have the Easter trees. I like these trees. You guys know I'm a colors girl. Okay, when it comes to the colors, absolutely love the different colors. These are $1.25. Now, when it comes to these placemats, Dollar Tree has these placemats. They had the cups and, what was it? The cups and the mugs and the bowls, I believe, that went with this. This is really cute. Love the gray with the blue. Honey, that's nice. And then they also have these placemats right here as well, which are $1.25. And then they have these placemats. This is like, plain Jane. Okay, in my opinion, this is $1.25 as well. Okay, now I like this. All right, enjoy the little things. $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have, if I'm not mistaken, they had some oven mitts that went with this, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, this is nice. I like this. It would have been cool if it would have been in a cloth material, but this to do it, $1.25. And enjoy the little things. Let me tell you something. If you're a person that's really ungrateful, you're always complaining about what you currently have, honey, how could God give you more of what you desire to have? Okay, you get what I'm saying? How could the universe give you more if you always complaining and saying you wish you had more and what you had? Like, you take things for granted. You have to be in a mood of gratitude. All right, so Dollar Tree also have some more Easter stuff, the tinsel decor we had seen. They also have this Easter garland. Now, this is definitely new. I haven't seen this. This is $3 with the little ribbons. And then they also have the bunnies over here, the garland. Really, really cool. Now, I did see the wood egg beaded garland. This is $3. Really, really nice. They also have the standing bunnies, which are $5, 24-inch, by the way. Welcome decor. Really cool. I like the chickadee chicks. The chickadee chicks, they showing up. You get what I'm saying? They also have the carrots that says welcome. Absolutely love it. Now, the tumblers, when it comes to the tumblers, okay, Dollar Tree have 2 left. You guys may have or may have not seen the 4-foot inflatable, which is $5. That comes in different colors. Still deal like Holyfield. And this is pretty much the colors that they have. So they have the purple, the pink, the yellow. And then they also have the multicolor. They also have these tinsel bunnies over here, which are different colors. These are $3. Tabletop egg decor, $3. String lights. Absolutely love these. Look at the texture. Now, tell me this is not fancy, pantsy, mancy. These are $5. Absolutely love these. They also have the printed plush throw, which are $5. We had seen that. Then, table runners. Okay, Dollar Tree said, listen, we coming through full effect. Okay, what you want to do? That's what Dollar Tree said. Okay, they also have the 6-foot floral egg garland. Really, really cute. Metal leaners. $5, set of 4 egg containers, $5. Absolutely love it. And then they also have the Peeps egg baskets. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have the Main Street Wall collection. All right, this is cute. Look at the butterfly with the legs crossed. Ciao. Okay, absolutely love these. Now, they also have wall decals. Let me tell you something about the wall decals. I absolutely love the wall decals. I brought these for my youngest son, his room, right? Put them all around in the room. I said, this is definitely styling and profiling. You get what I'm saying? Next minute, I know the wall decals was just coming off. Okay, my youngest son and my youngest daughter was taking them off. I like wall decals. They make the room pop, so to speak. Dollar Tree also have this wall creations. It says wash, brush, floors, flush. I know that's right, honey. That's for the bathroom. Okay, all right. Just in case if you was wondering. They also have the pets. Now, this is cute for a nursery. Absolutely love this. $1.25. Honey, look at Dollar Tree coming through. They also have this that says, instead pray about everything. Do not worry about anything when the message is messaging. Okay? All right? And then they also have this wall decal right here. This wall creation. This is really, really cute. Absolutely like this. $1.25. Honey, have you seen Dollar Tree new items? Have you? Because I'm in a place to be. I'm going to show you the tea. Okay? I'm going to deliver. And that's word to the mother and the brother. Okay? All right? Honey, like this new item. I just came over here and I just seen it. I said, what in the world? All right? Okay? Now, this is Homeline Scents. Pet Odor Eliminating Air Freshener. Okay, 2 times odor eliminating powder eliminates odors and freshens the air. $1.25. Look how fancy this is. Dollar Tree said, listen, we ain't playing. We coming through on the ones and twos. Okay, and then they also have the smoke odor eliminator. I think I've seen these, but maybe the packaging is different. What you think? Maybe the packaging is different? I don't know, but this is $1.25 as okay, so look at Dollar Tree coming through for the ones and twos. So to the ones that's out there that has fur friends, listen, Dollar Tree said, listen, we got the pet blanket, Kennel Club, okay, green Briar, $1.25. Briar, I think that's what it says. Look at Dollar Tree coming through, $1.25. Honey, this is a steal deal. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Global Beauty Care Youth Plus Boost Eye Brighten and Cool Eye Serum. This is $1.25. This is new. Okay, cucumber and caffeine, depuff, illuminate tired eyes. Honey, you're going to get the bags, I guess, from up under them. Now, these wipes right here, these are really, really good. I had showed you guys these last time. It's 30 wipes for $1.25. Honey, styling and profiling. Last time when I first seen that Dollar Tree brought these back in, honey, I had to get 2 packs because they so good. Notes of pistachio and salted caramel.